Hello viewers and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. We continue making food. We continue baking non-stop. So in this episode I'm going to show you how to make a pepper steak pie. In the previous episode I was showing you how to make the pepper steak pie filling, which is the meat, the cooking of the meat, and how to make the gravy and just be ready for the main dish, which is the family size pie. What do you need? You just need your shape, the big pie, and your spray, olive oil, a fork, puff pastry, a little bit flour of tasting, and your egg wash. And the main thing is the filling, pepper steak filling. So what do you do? So we're going to spray our pan, our tray, so that it don't stick, just like that. So it's ready. Then we have our egg. Our puff pastry, the ready-made puff pastry. So we're gonna just give it just a little press, just to roll it out. And remember, I still have to show you how to make your own puff pastry. With me, I just like to use the ready-made one because it's very convenient, because it's a lot of other things to do. So you just grab the ready-made one, but as long as you know how to make it yourself, then it will be fine. So we're gonna just give it a little, just to give it a little spread. Now put it inside. Just like that. Where is my palette? We have our puff pastry. It's just to the air bubbles that are developing. There we have our first layer. Just measuring to see if there is any need to. So we're gonna press it again. Just for the top, for the closing, so that we have our family size pie. you do, then you take your meat, your filling with pepper stick. So it's hot. So hot pepper. Just leave enough room to puff. You can see our meat is not a lot. Because normally it must be a lot of meat, but it doesn't stop us from, because this is for presentation sake, we have to be really economical. And so what do? Then you close. Again, you cut. Then you take your fork, then you close it. Because I'm putting it inside because I don't know, because we don't have a lot of meat filling inside, so I want it to bake in a shape where it takes all the meat in. So what we will do, instead of it puffing up, we just taking the size of the meat, instead of taking the size of the shape. So it's better to be a nice size which suits the meat that we have. So we have to just go down to the meat so that it will have a nice shape. So normally you just have to put a shape. Here's a big one. Just a shape. If you are making a lot, because you have to know which one is which one. Maybe you make chicken and what and the pepper steak, Cornish, burger pie, any other, so that you know which one is which one. It's just for presentation sake. I have to show you. It must be well egg washed. So you can just take your puff pastry, then you put maybe a nice sign there. And by the way, if you have time, maybe you only have time during the weekends, then what you do, you make maybe 5 or 3 or whatever, then you can freeze them. So what you do everything like this, then you put it in the freezer. So when you need them, you will just take and bake maybe you are a workaholic, you're working a 9-5 job, then you don't have enough time during the week to do all this. So when it's weekend, take your time, you do your baking, then that's the good thing about the pies. Then you freeze them. Then when you need them, you take them out, then you bake. So you freeze it before you bake. Then when you want to bake, just take it out, leave it outside at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Then it's thaw enough, then you bake it. So you bake like this one, you bake it 160 for 30 minutes. Then it will depend also on the type of oven, how hot is your oven and stuff like that. But this is how you make your pie, a family size pie. So you can just make nice decorations and stuff like so when it's baking, it will puff nicely also. So that's all. So now it will go in the oven 30 minutes. It's 160. This is all from your resident chef Tonde, signing out. Tonde siyabonga. See you in the next episode where we will be experimenting and pursuing all the other recipes and all the delicacies, whatever you want. Then we are very flexible. You request something, we just research and do it all at once. So you don't need to have the hassle of try and error. It costs money. So I'm here to foot in that void as your resident chef, signing out. Thank you. See you. See you. Meow. 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 Meow.